Alright, in this video we're going to start taking some stuff out. Let's get that breadboard out here. Oh, looks like the breadboard has been tampered with. Not sure why. But anyway, I'm not going to open it up from there yet. I may find another solution for keeping it on here. But anyway, they want you to face it as such with the letters looking at us. So we'll do that. And I guess we could stick the wires through here. I think that's what those are for. And do the same on this side. Okay, there we go. Really does help. To be both-handed now, we want to fit these wires through here too. We do not want them to interfere with those, so we have a third cavity here, third space that we can put these through. Again, these wires are so flimsy. I wish they'd given us nice thick wires with nice thick metal bits there, because I can already foretell that when we try to stick them into the machine, they may or may not stay in place. I've had trouble with same issues with the voice kit, and the voice kit, those were even bigger than these, so I know I'm going to have problems with that. Alright, so now we have to get this stuff out of the plastic enclosure here. Let's get that out real quick. One. And then we have the other one. Then we have these little doohickeys, and I'm sure I'm going to have some problems with that too, because they're so teeny tiny. I tried to solder some pins like that on a Raspberry Pi 0W, and let me tell you, I mean, look at these things. Look how tiny they are. It's like crazy. And this is what they call the piezo buzzer, and it's supposed to create some fun music and all that, so that'll be fun. Alright, so right now what we have is all the different bits out here, and there's also an extra screw, which I'm not sure what that's for, but yeah, it came in the box, so we'll figure out where that goes. So, and we also have this cable here, because this version of the Adabox does not have the extra battery, so I'm guessing I'm going to have to use a computer to power this thing. Alright, so see you in the next video where we're going to assemble this up together. Thank you for watching.